Jai Hind. Here is matrix problem. So A equal to given I 0 0 minus I. B equal to given 0 1 minus 1 0. C equal to given 0 I 0, and I equal to given 1 0 0 1. First we have to prove A square. A square means I 0 0 minus I multiply with I 0 0 minus I. So how we multiply? Row we multiply with column. So I multiply I, it become I square. 0 multiply 0 is 0. Now again first row second column. So I multiply 0, we get 0. 0 multiply minus I, we get also 0. Now second row first column. 0 multiply I, we get 0. Minus I multiply with 0, we get 0. Now second row second column. 0 multiply 0, we get 0. Minus I multiply minus I, we get plus I square. Now what is I? I's value is minus 1. Square root minus 1 is called I. So I square become minus 1. Square root cancel out by squaring. So we can say it is I square is minus 1, and after simplifying we get minus 1 0 0 minus 1 in matrix. Now minus we can take outside, so finally we get 1 0 0 1, and it is nothing but it is minus, it is nothing but it is equal to I. So we can say that A square is equal to minus I. Now similarly we find out B square. B square means 0 1 minus 1 0. This is the B. So 2 times multiply of this B gives us B square. So 0 row, first row and first column we multiply and we write as with addition. Now 0 multiply 0 0 plus 1 multiply minus 1, we get minus 1. Now we multiply 0 multiply 1, first row second column. So 0 1 multiply 0, we get 0. Now second row first column, 0 multiply minus 1, we get 0, and 0 multiply minus 1, we get again 0. Now second row second column, minus 1 multiply 1, we get minus 1. 0 multiply 0, we get 0. So finally we get minus 1 0 0 minus 1, and again there is 4 terms, we can take from these 4 terms minus sign outside common. So finally we get inside 1 0 0 1, and that is nothing but minus I, equal to minus I. Now third, there is C square equal to minus I, we have to prove. So C means there is given 0 I 0. So C square means 2 times we multiply, that will give us C square. So again row and column multiply. So 0 multiply 0 0, I multiply is I square. Now first row second column, 0 multiply I, we get 0. I multiply 0, we get 0. Now second row first column, I multiply 0, we get 0, and 0 multiply I, we get 0. Now I multiply I, we get I square, and 0 multiply 0, we get 0. So we get finally I 0 0 I square. There is I square in the first. So I square means minus 1. I square is minus 1 because I is square root minus 1. So I square will be minus 1. So taking minus common from these inside terms outside, so all terms inside become positive, and this become minus I. This is given equal to I. So A square, B square, C square all are equal to minus I. So this is our proved. Therefore we can write hence proved this problem. Now second, there is given a b equal to c. It means a and b we multiply and we have to get answer equal to c. So this is our b part. So let us see a and b multiply. So a here is I 0 0 minus I. B here is 0 1 minus 1 0. Now multiply rows and column. So I multiply 0 0 0 multiply minus 1 we get 0. Now second column I multiply with 1 we get I. 0 multiply 0 we get 0. Now second row first column 0 multiply 0 we get 0. Minus I multiply minus 1 we get plus I. Now second row second column 0 multiply 1 we get 0. Minus I multiply 0 we get 0. And in this way we get 0 I 0. And this matrix is equal to our equal to C matrix. So we can say it is equal to C. Now second is there BC equal to A we have to prove. So this was our AB equal to C. Now BC, it means we multiply B and C matrix. So 0 1 minus 1 0. This is B and C our is 0 I 0. We multiply here. So rows and columns multiplication is important. So 0 multiply 0 we get 0. First row first column and 1 multiply I we get I. Now first row second column 0 multiply I we get 0. 1 multiply 0 we get 0. Now second row first column minus 1 multiply 0 we get 0. 0 multiply I we get 0. Now second row second column minus 1 multiply I we get minus I. 0 multiply 0 we get 0. And after multiplying we get I 0 0 minus I. And it is nothing but it is equal to I 0 0 minus I. It is equal to A. We see here A is equal to here. Now third one is CA equal to B. So CA means matrix C multiply with matrix A. So C here is 0 I 0. This is C and this one is A. So multiply both the matrix I 0 0 minus I. So rows and columns multiply. So 0 multiply 0 0 multiply I we get 0. I multiply 0 we get again 0. Now first row second column 0 multiply 0 we get 0. I multiply minus I we get minus I square. Now second row first column I multiply I is I square. 0 multiply with 0 we get 0. I multiply 0 with we get 0. And 0 multiply minus I we get again 0. So finally we get 0. I square is minus 1 and minus already is there, so it becomes plus 1. I square minus 1 and then 0. So CA equal to B. This is nothing but this is equal to B. 0 1 minus 1 0 0 1 minus 1 0. So we can say it is equal to B. So hence also proved here. It is also proved. Next is BA equal to minus C square. So here is 2 multiply B and A multiply and C also multiply. That will give us BA. First we find BA. BA means B matrix multiply with A. So B here is 0 1 minus 1 0. A here is I 0 0 minus I. So multiply it. So rows and column multiply. 0 multiply I we get 0. 1 multiply 0 we get 0. Now first row second column 0 multiply 0 is 0. 1 multiply minus I we get minus I. Now second row first column 0 multiply minus 1 multiply I we get minus I. 0 multiply 0 we get 0. Minus I multiply 0, we get 0. 0 multiply minus I, we get 0. So we get in the matrix 0 minus I 0. This is the element. Now minus c square, ba equal to minus c square. So minus c square means c and c multiply twice. So c is 0 I 0 multiply twice, and we put minus outside, and again multiply property we use. So rows and column 0 multiply 0 0, I multiply I square. Now second column 0 multiply I 0, and I multiply 0, we get 0. Now second rows, first column I multiply 0 is 0, and 0 multiply I is also 0. Now second column I multiply I is I square, and 0 multiply is 0. So it becomes minus I square is minus 1. Now minus 1 taken common, so outside there is already minus, so it becomes plus now. So it becomes 1 0 0 1. That we have, there is the comma, not square, only c a b a equal to minus c. There is not equal both the answer. B equal to minus c. So b a equal to minus c we have to prove. It means c answer is 0 1 1 I 0 I 0. So if I multiply c, this is not needed here, so we cancel out minus c. Minus c means multiply minus sign with c. C is 0 I 0. So after inside multiply we get 0 minus I 0. Minus 0 is nothing, so it is equal to BA. So in this way we have proved, and remaining two, CB equal to minus A square and CB equal to A minus A and AC equal to minus B, you can do. I hope in this way you can do yourself. Okay.